Hey everyone, this is James with WSTrades.com. I want to bring you an update here, but before I get to this update, I want to say if you are looking for a brokerage account and you would like to trade some stock and you do not have one, Robinhood does have a promotion going on. If you use that link in the comments and description section of this video to sign up for Robinhood, you can get some free stock. So this is actually the link I'm showing on the screen right now. So if that sounds like something that interests you to sign up and get some free stock, head to that link, check it out, create an account, and receive your free stock. Hey everyone, this is James with WSTrades.com. I want to provide an update here on ticker NVOS or Novo Integrated Sciences. So down 6.58% on the day, having a pretty good move lower here. I was looking through their SEC filings and some of the news stories and stuff, and there's not a ton going on, except I did find one SEC filing where they are doing a bunch of dilution. So it says between September 5th and October 9th, NVOS or Novo Integrated Sciences, they issued millions and millions of shares here. So this is common stock, so 750,000 shares were issued on September 5th. That's for consulting services. 535 million shares issued on September 18th. This is exercise of previously issued warrants. We have 750 million shares. Again, consulting services. 5.1 million shares here. This was due to a promissory note being exercised. So that is a note being converted into common stock. 750 million shares on October 3rd, which is consulting services again. And then we have 737 million shares issued here on October 9th. So this is a exchange agreement, asset purchase agreement, and again, consulting agreement here. So it says following such issuances, as of October 9th, the company's issued and outstanding common share count was 168 million. So pretty big increase there. If you look at the float and how many shares were issued before that, you've got several million shares coming in there. So a pretty decent chunk of dilution there. And this is just one reason why I do not invest in companies like NVOS. Their financials are garbage. They're bleeding a ton of money, and they're just obliterating their shareholders and diluting them like crazy. So this is one of many reasons why I am not buying this stock, and why I thought it was a good short candidate when it went on this insane run here. I mean, it was at about 6 cents, hitting here 53, almost 54 cents. Then it had another run up here to 53 cents. And again, when we see these kind of big explosions like this, you better expect a big pullback, especially when they're just diluting their shareholders and devaluing, the stock for their shareholders. And just kind of looking at it right now, I would not be surprised if they come down here and touch this 20-cent mark. They've got a lot of questionable stuff going on, and going way back here to September 29th, which was like 3 weeks ago, they're being questioned about some of the stuff they're doing. They're getting involved with people that have went to jail for running scams and Ponzi schemes. This whole black sheep $1 billion collateral transfer thing, there's been a lot of questions around it, and it's really scammy, really sketchy behavior. So, don't be surprised here if some bad news comes out about that supposed $1 billion collateral transfer, and that person that they're getting involved with who went to jail before for being involved in a scam and scamming people out of $3 million. So don't be surprised here on the chart if this thing comes down to test this 20-cent mark, and if it does, and if it blows through that level, look for a big move down. If 20 cents is not going to hold, look for the 13-cent mark to get hit. So again, if this goes on a crazy explosion, let's just say it rallies back up to 40 cents, 50 cents, I think those are great short opportunities, because I think this thing is going to dump and die. It is on NASDAQ. That is another reason this is a good short candidate, because if they do a reverse split, which they're going to have to do, you can see they can't even hold 50 cents, right? So I doubt they're making it to $1 organically, and what that means is reverse split, and the bears are going to come in and smash it into the ground. So we'll continue to keep you updated here on ticker NVOS or Novo Integrated Sciences. Please like this video. Please also subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed. Hit that notification bell. Appreciate you for taking the time to watch this. Talk to you soon.